Welcome to Part 16, the finale of Linux 0 to Expert. Everything has led here. Today your scripts start working while you sleep. Cron runs anything on a schedule, the classic tool on every Linux box for 50 years. Systemd manages services, the things that must always be running, and journalctl reads their diaries. And we finish with the Capstone, a complete automated backup system built from parts 4, 11, 14, and 15, scheduled nightly. By the end of this video, you're not learning Linux anymore. You're using it. Let's finish strong. Cron, the 50-year-old scheduler that still runs the world. Crontab-e opens your schedule. Each line is 5 time fields, then a command. The fields, minute, hour, day, month, weekday, star means every. So 32, star is 2:30 every morning. */10 in the minutes field is every 10 minutes. And 09**1 is Mondays at 9. When in doubt, crontab guru translates any line to English. 2 rules that save hours of confusion. Use full paths in cron jobs, because cron runs with a bare environment. Your shortcuts don't exist there, and always redirect output to a log with part 12 to &1, or debugging becomes guesswork. Services, the programs that must always run, belong to systemd. Systemctl status asks how a service is doing. Running, since when, recent log lines. Restart bounces it after a config change. And enable is the one beginners miss. Start means run now. Enable means also start at every boot. Production needs both. Every service writes a diary, and journalctl reads it. -u njinx shows just njinx's entries. -n50 the last 50, and -f follows live. Tail-f, part 5. But for services, the -- since flag accepts human phrases like 10 minutes ago. Status, restart, journal. That trio is the first 5 minutes of every real incident response. The Capstone. Read this script and watch the whole series assemble. The safety header from part 15. Variables and command substitution from 14, a dated file name. Tar compresses the folder into one archive. That's the backup. Then my favorite line, rotation. ls-t sorts newest first. Tail +8 takes everything past the 7th. Zargs hands them to rm. Keep 7. Delete the rest. A pure part 12 pipeline doing real systems work. Errors append to a log. Success logs a line with the size via awk. And one rsync line from part 11 would copy each archive to another machine. Offsite backups, free. 16 lines. Every video in the series is in there. Ship it like a professional. First, chmod +x and run it manually. If it fails at your keyboard, it fails at 2:30 a.m. too. Fix it now. Then one crontab line, 32, ****. And this script runs every night for as long as the machine lives. Tomorrow morning, verify, ls the backup folder, tail the log, see the OK line, and run the restore drill. tar-tzf lists and archives contents, proving it's a real backup and not just a hope with a file name. Professionals test restores, not backups. And that's it. You've built a system that works while you sleep. That, right there, is the whole point of everything we've learned. And that is Linux 0 to Expert, complete. 16 videos ago the terminal was scary. Today you write safe scripts, chain tools into pipelines, operate remote servers with keys, and you've built an automated backup system that runs while you sleep. Verified, rotated, restorable. You didn't just learn commands. You learned the philosophy that connects them. We're next. Rewatch any weak spots. Repetition builds fluency. Then our DevOps and Docker episodes are the natural continuation. You now speak their language. If this series helped you, like the videos, subscribe to 58 AI Bytes, and comment 0 to Expert so I know you finished. I'm genuinely proud of you. See you in the next series.